Hello everyone, let's complete identities for the complex numbers. Let Z1 and Z2 two complex numbers, then the like real numbers identity Z1 plus Z2 whole square equals to A square means Z1 square plus 2Z1 Z2 plus Z2 square. If you will convert or replace this plus by minus, then only replace this plus by minus. If you will add z1 plus z2 to the whole power 3 a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square minus b cube. So these are the identities. These identities you have to follow. Now come on the next part. The modulus of a complex numbers. What is the modulus of a complex number? Let z equals to a plus iota b. Then the modulus of z denoted by mod z, and this mod z equals to root a square plus b square. For example, if z equals to 1 plus 3 iota, then what is modulus of z? So modulus of z will be a square plus b square. Your answer will be 3 3 is 9 plus 1 root 10. Next, suppose if you are writing if z equals to 2 minus 3 iota, then what will be the modulus of z? Then the modulus of z will be 2 square plus minus 3 square, and your answer will be 4 plus 9 root 13. 4 plus 9 means root 13 is the answer. So this is the modulus. Now what is conjugate? Conjugate means when you will replace minus sign by plus, replace the sign of iota, means if z equals to a plus iota b, then the conjugate of a complex number is denoted by z bar, and it will equals to a minus iota b. So for example, if you are writing z equals to suppose 3 iota, then what will be z bar? Then z bar will be minus 3 iota. If z equals to 2, then what will be z bar? Then z bar will be 2, because you can write 2 plus 0 iota, and here 2 minus 0 iota, which does not have any meaning, so it means also 2. Next example, if you are writing z equals to 2 minus 3 iota, then z bar equals to means conjugate of z will be 2 plus 3 iota, means change only the sign, replace the sign or interchange the sign plus minus to each other, means replace the sign of I. Now for this we can study some results. If z1 and z2 are two complex numbers, then the modulus of z1 into z2 will be z1 into z2. You can take separately. If you are adding z1 plus z2, then this thing you have to find. If z1 upon z2, it means z1 upon z2. If you are writing z1 plus z2 conjugate of z1 plus z2, then it will equals to z1 conjugate plus z2 conjugate. Similarly, if you are taking conjugate of z1 upon z2, then it will be equals to conjugate of z1 upon conjugate of z2. So these things you have to also know. Thank you.